Today, I'll show you how to print in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're looking to print a hard copy of a document or simply save a new PDF file, this guide will make sure you know exactly what to do. Printing in Adobe Acrobat is straightforward, but let's break it down step by step. First, you'll need to open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. This is where you'll start your printing process. Once your document is open, navigate to the menu at the top of your screen. Depending on your version, this might be labeled simply as File. From here, you'll want to select Print. This will open up the Print dialog, which is where all your printing options are located. For those who love shortcuts, there's an even faster way to get to the Print menu. On a Windows computer, you can quickly press Ctrl plus P. For Mac users, the shortcut is CMD plus P. This little trick can save you a bit of time and is handy to remember if you frequently print documents. Once you're in the print dialog, the first thing you'll need to do is select your printer. If you're printing a hard copy, choose your physical printer from the list. However, if you're planning to save a new PDF file instead, you can choose Adobe PDF from the list of printers. This is a great option if you need to create a version of the document with specific print settings without actually printing it on paper. Next, let's talk about the pages you want to print. Adobe Acrobat gives you several options here. You can choose to print all pages if you need a complete copy of the document. If you're only interested in printing the page you're currently viewing, select Current Page. There's also an option to print a specific range of pages. For example, if you only need pages 1 through 5 and page 10, you can enter that range directly. This flexibility is perfect for when you're dealing with larger documents and only need certain parts. Now, it's time to decide on the orientation of your printed pages. You have a few options here: Auto, Portrait, and Landscape. If you select Auto, Acrobat will try to automatically detect the best orientation based on the document's layout. Portrait is the standard vertical layout, and Landscape is the horizontal layout. Choosing the right orientation is important to ensure your document prints correctly and looks the way you expect it to, and that's it. Once you've configured these settings to your liking, you can proceed with printing your document. Check over everything one last time to make sure all your selections are correct, and then click Print to send your document to the printer or to save your new PDF file. I hope this guide has made the printing process in Adobe Acrobat clearer for you. With these steps, you'll be able to produce the documents you need exactly how you need them in no time. Thanks for watching and happy printing.